Hello, this is Kurt Young, Senior Technical Marketing Engineer, and welcome to KEMP's Scripting Corner, a series of videos demonstrating the different options for automating the deployment and configuration of KEMP solutions. In this video, we'll be focused on the deployment of KEMP LoadMaster using Amazon Web Services CloudFormation templates. Before I demonstrate the deployment using CloudFormation templates, let's take a step back and ask, what are CloudFormation templates and what are the benefits of leveraging them? CloudFormation templates are built using JSON or YAML formats. This provides customers with the flexibility when creating these templates. Using CloudFormation templates simplifies the provisioning and management of solutions deployed in AWS Cloud. CloudFormation stacks, which are a collection of AWS resources being managed, provide consistent and predictable results that fit nicely into every customer's automation framework. These templates and other automation examples can be found at KEMP Technologies' GitHub repositories. To start off, we need to download the CloudFormation template. So I've navigated to the KEMP GitHub site, and under the AWS CloudFormation template repository, you'll find two templates, although there's more on the way. The first will deploy a single LoadMaster in AWS, and the second an HA pair. So let's go ahead and look into the HA template. As I open this template, we can look at the different sections that make up CloudFormation. At the very top, we have some version information and description. Next are parameters. This section outlines the information the user can choose when deploying the solution, such as LoadMaster names, VPC, and availability zones. Following the parameters is the mapping section. In this section is a list of all of the LoadMaster Amazon Machine Images, or AMIs, per region. This allows the CloudFormation template to be used in any AWS region, and the correct AMI will be used for that deployment. Next are the resources. These are all the AWS resources that will be deployed by the CloudFormation template. This includes LoadMasters themselves, an ELB to sit in front of the HA pair, health checking settings, network interfaces, and security groups. Now that I've downloaded the template, I can log into AWS, select Services and CloudFormation. I already have several stacks here, but I'll go ahead and create a new one. I'll select Upload Template to S3 and select my HA CloudFormation template. Click Next. Here are all the parameters that could be applied to the solution. I'll give the stack a unique name, as well as the name from LoadMaster 1 and LoadMaster 2 instance. I'll leave the default instance size and select an existing VPC in which to deploy my solution to. I have a choice here to deploy my LoadMasters into the same or different availability zones. In this demo, I will choose different AZs to provide even greater high availability. Next, I can give my ELB a name, and finally, select an existing key pair. Now I'll click Next, and I'll keep the defaults for permissions and rollback triggers. Click Next, and then finally Create. Now the CloudFormation stack will only take a couple minutes to complete, and then just a couple more minutes for the instances to completely spin up. Now that everything's done, I'll navigate to Services and EC2. I'll select Instances, and here are my two LoadMasters ready to go. I can scroll down and also find my ELB with two LoadMasters listed as instances. Both are showing in a down state right now since I haven't completed the HA configuration on the LoadMasters. I've gone ahead and licensed both LoadMasters and logged in to complete the HA configuration manually, although these steps can be automated via KEMP LoadMaster API or one of KEMP's API wrappers. On KEMP HA01, I'll select System Configuration and AWS HA parameters. I'll select Master HA Mode from the dropdown and enter the IP address of KEMP HA02. Now I'll enter port 8444 as the health check port as configured on the AWS ELB. I also have the option to set this as the preferred master or just allow the secondary unit to maintain the active role in the event of a failover. Moving over to KEMP HA02, once again navigate the System Configuration and AWS HA parameters, this time selecting Slave HA Mode from the dropdown. Select Non-Preferred Host, and this time entering the IP address of KEMP HA01 and 8444 as the health check port. Now that KEMP HA02 is in standby mode, you will find that there is a limitation on the configuration that can be done on this unit at this time. This is because all configuration changes must be done on the active master unit. Going back to AWS and looking at the instances within ELB, we now see KEMP HA01 as in service and ready to accept application traffic. Hopefully this episode provided some insight to the value of using CloudFormation templates when deploying KEMP solutions in AWS. For more information on KEMP, visit us at kemptechnologies.com. Thank you for watching.